what else kind of goes into what places these people on the Mappack on the side? Is there anything specific, or is, like you said, is it just how much information is within the Google business page, or is it how often these people are posting within the confines of the Google business?
There's a handful of things that work into that. Obviously, fully filling out your profile is number one. Making sure you have your services listed, your products listed, have all that done. Have the pictures of your logo, your cover photos. Have a program in place, whether it's with a CRM or another thing. Have a program in place that is designed to cultivate more Google reviews, because Google reviews are a big part of this. People that, it doesn't always make sure you're number one, but if you notice Select Tint there has 52 and Precision has 173, it doesn't always mean but the most reviews are going to come up to the top. If you optimize your page, if you update your page by adding new photos that are done in an optimized way, we've talked in podcasts previously about how you could use programs like GeoImager and other things like that to optimize your pictures. So before you load them into Google Business, fully optimizing those. You can also add updates into Google Business the same way that you would make an update to social media. You can add updates to Google Business, which will show up there. And if you use an optimized image and optimized text and links back to your website, all those things give Google signals of what you do and where you should rank. Google's number one task, people don't understand. Google doesn't want to try to trip you up and make it hard. Google's number one task is that when people are searching for something, they want to give you the best list that fulfills what you're looking for. So the more information you can give to Google so that they can know what you guys do, so that when the appropriate search comes up, they can populate your company to the top of that. That's what Google's trying to do. They're not trying to, trick you or anything like that. They just want to give the actual their customer, which if you want to think about it that way, their customer is the person that's searching on Google. They're trying to make sure they get the best results they can. So they're using what everybody refers to as an algorithm, which it is an algorithm. But that algorithm is designed to help them figure out if somebody searches for this, this is the best list of results we can populate for them. That is essentially what's happening with SEO and why Google places the importance on SEO and Google Business and things like that, because they want to populate the best results for the people that are searching.